So now this is it. So this is what we call, you can start looking at it if you can see. So now you need to understand what's called Web 3 in Web 3. So I put Web 3 and FinTech. We all know what FinTech is. FinTech is financial technology, right? I mean, do you understand what FinTech is? Everyone. So we need to understand that. So they assist in the same circle, sit in the same circle. But the issue is just that people don't really understand what Web3 is. So I'm going to tell you what Web3 is in a very good layman language. Okay? So Web3 means is an advanced project of Web2. So Web3 is where we do futures, stocks, P2P, and so many other projects. Web3. Now, we have so many projects in Web3. Please next page, just press play. So we have many projects in Web3, but let us go straight to their notes. Now, so straight to the notes. I don't know, maybe many of you must have seen some jobs, online, and please can you hear me? Please give me my phone, please. My phone. Yeah. Must have seen some jobs online, and you look at them. I can't even apply for the job. Have you in the text space maybe? Have you ever say maybe see jobs online, but unable to apply for the job? Have anyone? Do you know why? Because you don't even know what to apply for. Many of you are focusing on your university certificate or uh, what's it called, or polytechnic certificate. But now the industry is far beyond what we can all imagine. Now to get your notebook, please make sure you are in Web3 class, the Telegram group Web3 class. Um, okay, the barcode is on there. Okay, make sure you're in the Web3 class so you can have this note. I want you all to follow us on this as we are going. So, so now, so let's talk about this area. Now, KOL must be a trusted expert whose expertise and credibility shape public perception in niche markets. Please, I want you all to have the note. I don't think many of you are in the free classroom on Telegram. If you're in the free classroom on Telegram, please let me know. Is anyone in the free classroom? Okay, now let me quickly find a way for you all to be able to join. So let me make the group public so that you can join the group. We're supposed to use a barcode. Okay, let me send the barcode to him so you project it so you guys can get your notes. Okay? Good. Let me project the barcode. Yeah. So, you must have the notes so that you can follow in the meeting. So try and make sure you're in the free classroom so you can have the notes. So you must be an expert, but you don't need to be 100% expert. Am I communicating? Now, what do I mean by this? In cable health industry, there is what we call circle, and that's the circle we're building. Now, you don't need to be a financial market analyst, but in that sector, there will be a financial market analyst. So you don't need to say, okay, I want to be a fundamental analyst. In this sector, there'll be a fundamental analyst. There's what we call master traders. So that's what we have in the sector of traders. So what we are doing today is we are building a sector. Please have the group the have we able to figure it out? Okay. So that is it. So being a KOL, you are being given a very good opportunity and a contract to be able to start a new life in your business. Majority of here might have done trading, yes or no? But there's another way to aim in the monetary space without even being only a trader. I was talking to someone yesterday. The person said, "Oh, I have too long and money things." I told him, I said, "Do you think there's only trading?" The reason why you're focusing on only trading is because that is where your brain has been channeled. You can be a content writer and brain. Yes. Must be able to be a proof of work. So in tier one industries, majority of all industries must fail, even in the tech space. Have anyone heard about that? He's the founder of Ethereum and is also the KOL of his own products. So he's using his platform to publicize what he has. And now there is a challenge in the industry now. Ethereum is facing a very big challenge. You know the challenge is facing. Majority of the Ethereum investors are diversified into the investment into Solana. Do you know what Solana is? I'll tell you now. So Solana started recruiting young people as KOLs to be pushing their projects. So the people that Vitalik was unable to reach out to because he was the main face as the main KOL for Ethereum. So what Solana did was reaching out to people, turning them in a promoting for us. Do you understand? So in anything you do as a KOL, you win. So majority of this KOL that you see, any token that promotes, they win from it. Okay, they want content because they said they want their token. They wanted to be on point. And I told them, I said, okay, you must pay the KOLs to promote your projects. Things, let me tell you something. In this industry, KOLs are making more money than traders. But the majority of people know. So you are to be the leader to lead people. So that make sure you are in the Web3 class on Telegram so you can have your notes there. This is very, very important. So majority of those people, they just know. Have you ever created any WhatsApp group or Telegram group? Have anybody ever created this? Do you have any WhatsApp group that you're leading? Not yourself. Anyone there? Do you have Facebook? How many followers do you have on Facebook? How many? Huh? Oh, friends, yeah. 1,000, 4,000. That's wealth. You said 2,000. Who else again? How many followers? Now we can see someone. Now we have to 6,000 people like 6,000 friends. Okay, let's go to another platform. Who among you is on X, Twitter? Okay, how many followers? Huh? You don't know. Anybody here? How many followers?
To start a failure. Don't try to um, don't try to say you want to force things. Let your focus be on your platform. Let me repeat myself again for you to understand. Let your focus be on your platform. So your platform is where you start from. Now, being a KOL, you don't really need to be uh,
I've worked for CoinW, I've worked for Coinet, I've worked for 3.0. Now let me pause you about it. I was talking to my friend yesterday in Jordan, and he said, "Hey man, this let's talk." So we're talking about our experience in the Web3 space. So he said, "Oh, what happened to Coinet?" I said, "Coinet is not. They took that companies away when I stopped working for them. So you know what I do? That means that I don't have access to my back office again. Employment. Because I work for them in place. But employ them as KL, so they cannot take it. I've done the total sum of $129.5 million for CoinW. It's not my personal money, but that's the point. There's no company that will get that money that will not want to work with me. So what I want from everyone over here is I want you all to be ready to do the same. Do you get what I'm saying now? I want you all to be ready to do the same. I'm still going to show you my back office. You all here going to see. Don't worry. So you can see that I'm not kidding. Last year I was in Abuja. I was training to the church, the youth. So when I saw him, they said, how is that possible? I said, it's very, very possible. He said, how? And I said, everyone you speak to, you talk to, they are whatsoever they're doing must reflect in your back office. Just like the bank. In the bank, you see some bank will say they want money to pass through their bank account for statements. So once it pass through, there's going to be a record that money pass through it. Do you understand? So it must be documented in your reports. So what you are doing is a professional course, not only training, it's a KOL class, not go and bring your money. It will take consequence too. Are you enjoying what I'm saying? So if you're enjoying it, I want you all to say something like I'm enjoying it. I want to get the voice. I want people watching online to get the voice. So I want to hear who I'm enjoying this class. Can you speak loud? Thank you very much. Good. So now, it's not only about you being a trader, it's about you turning what you have in social media to your benefit. Before I became a KOL, I was in Dubai. I looked at my friend this time. When I was looking at it, I said, how can I convert these people to money? So when I was talking, my friend had me. My friend said, so that one should be I said, no, I'm taking it because every numbers count on all social media. I've registered over 15,000 people for Coinbase. I've registered over 10,000 people for Coinbase. On Facebook, I registered the total number of sites. All that numbers, do you think I just registered them for free? No, I was making money. Now, being a KOL, please don't say that after training you are building your record. You now want to go and do boxing. I beg you. You can ask him. Have I ever done boxing before? Eh? I've never. I will never do it. My name, I cherish it. My name is Michael Owatanilarobe. So you can call me my baby. I can walk anywhere. No police will harass me. Nobody can come and hold me and say, I put him on the platform and everything else. Nobody. That's the reason why for this. So we are launching this. So as you are living here, we will bring everyone. And we are starting the class officially online on April 20th. And don't come in alone. You need to help someone. You can also be a KOL and help putting another KOL on. Any project before? Have you tried anyone's wedding project before? Okay, if you are a church guy, have you invited someone to church before? If you are a Muslim guy, have you invited someone to the gospel before? You are already doing the work of KOL, but there is no lack of office for you to do what you are doing. Now, don't let us go to the religious part of doing for God. Have you? Now, what are you doing for yourself? What's the proof that you are working for yourself? So majority of you all here don't even have the proof of you working. For an example, he's a professor, the head of HOD of statistics. There's a proof because you have a certificate. Majority of the KOLs to people have certificates, to be sincere. But the proof that you are a KOL, the work that you've done, the proof of work that you've done. I was showing someone the work I did for 3.0 understand. the time I opened the coin of people, it's free. He said, bro, can I be sleeping in your house every day? I told him, I said, you didn't need to sleep in my house. Just be connecting online. I've been able to build lots and lots of millions by the grace of God. Our training is off. We started this by 2022, which we've been training people for. So that's it. So if you are ready to be a hero, make sure that you are ready to start with the proof of work. We will be giving you a 6 month mentorship. Is anyone here with me? A 6 month mentorship. For the 6 month mentorship, we will not be leaving you, we will be working with you. If you want to be running an event just like this, we will be supporting you. And by the way, everyone, we're very never. We'll be starting a radio show any moment from hopefully from next month, 10 minutes. I'll be bringing many of you to come and speak. Anyone of you here who's willing to speak on radio? Are you guys willing to speak? We're very there. So we will be starting there and we will be going to that place. Please make sure you have the notes. It's like a video. Make sure you have it. Are you all in the group now? The link have expired? Yeah. All right, don't worry. I'll make sure it's going to be connected to it so we can continue the class online. All right, cool. Now let's go into training. The path of what happens being a KOL is you must train. What did I say? You must train. The reason why you must trade is because you must understand the dynamics of trading. Is everyone here with me? It's like I'm teaching someone to farm and I'm not farming. He's a master trader too. His name is Satoshi. So if you understand what I'm saying here, I'm telling people that you can become a trader and you're not trading. A trader will trade must be a trader. It's a must. So and you must start trading with what you can petrol. I was unable to buy petrol. And my wife said, Mike, where's the bus? Okay, let me see what is relocate. True life story. And I secured New Zealand visa for myself and my family. I have a daughter, a beautiful girl. Kim Benson, which means what God can never does not exist. And my wife. So I secured New Zealand visa, a family visa for choice. After getting the visa, guess what? Brother. So we were waiting and we sold everything. So as we were waiting, my wife just said, let me say that because we have right people watching us online. My wife said, we can't. She said, she should go buy. So once I'm going to buy, maybe I can open the border. So when I got to bed, that was when I learned some of the majority of these beautiful skills. I met a lot of people, different people. I met 20 days when I get to Dubai to learn. So I was trained by my tutor. In forex space, and I blew 2 The one I bought, I was already back in Nigeria because I'd already made some money in crypto and every other thing. So I came back to Nigeria. So I blew it here in Nigeria. And my wife blew $150. My wife said, she's not trading again. Ah, this thing, no, it's demonic. Me too, I said it's demonic. So now I went back to the candlestick. I said, I'm paying for $375 every month. So that's 20 days, 20 working days. And I lost this money. I must collect my money back. I collected it back. I went back. The amount that I've made in crypto space, I cannot even write it down. I'm serious. If you're in the working space, legally operating, you will not want to leave Nigeria because it's sweet to spend the line in Nigeria than to spend the line in America. You know what it takes, not paying tax of one.
Sir, so when to secure loan of 4.8 billion, everything wrong. So the arrest, the bank will arrest us now. Join community doing government and she came to my room and said, I can 150
Ah, the smartest can answer. Go and look for the people that put you on that forex. I, but you should not secure loan for trade.
So people are crying on it. So that's the problem that people are having. If you know that you can afford to pay someone 1 million, you can start it. If you know that you can afford to give someone $20, please start with it. Hello? That's if you want to become a master trader. One of the another KOL, we have different courses. The courses will be listed before April 20th. Okay? So if you are joining the classes, so just know the one you want to do. The master trader comes with technical and fundamental class, which will train you on how to analyze the market and how to manage your trade.
So you are interested in that. It's a very tough class. If you know that your brain cannot do calculation, please don't go. If you know that your brain actually can be calculated, based on your okay, you want to be a master trader. Okay, you want to be a master trader, stand up, let me see. Stand up, let me see. You want to be a master trader. Okay. Wow. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay. Okay, good. Let me try and explain master trading for you very well. Master trading means that you're going to be the head trader. You're the one analyzing the market risk. You're the one taking the signals to sell. So people following your trade. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Very good. I love that. You know what Socrates said? Socrates said, maybe they don't understand the matter because he was like, you guys must know what you're talking about. So go down. So I'm going to see if I discuss. So that's one question. Also, is do you know that pastors, imams, they are investors? Do you know that? I think why you are coming, you must have put some of this money. Although actually, so in one or two ways, you have motivated that person in a very strong circle. Let me use the word in a queue. When the person is trying to lead that queue, that person that will remain in that, still believing that Ọlọ́run wá ṣe kí ni. That's the power of the beginning of the minister. Now, the pastor will say that Jesus Christ loves you and loves you 2,000 years ago, and the best thing is that what did he do? He did marketing. And if now the person converted, that's the result of being a so the influencer is a marketer. So you all must use your platform to have strong influencers. And how many people are ready to become an influencer? So how many of you to become um what's it called? An influencer? Huh? How many here, please? Now, you can become an influencer with your own platform. You don't really need to try and be like, oh, you want to just start from where you are. You can be an influencer with just 10 people, 5 people. Start from where you are. That's the work of KOL. Okay. So, and in addition to that, we'll be doing a lot of TikTok live. We'll be doing a lot of radio tour on our radio program. Will be starting. So, which means that majority of you that want to go into lessons will be training you, so that you will be speaking and you'll be building your platform. That's another way to build a platform on social media. If you look at it now, social media have taken over all these radio and televisions. Do you all know that? So now you must build your space on social media. We all know Pele. You know Pele or Pela? What's the guy's name on TikTok? But Daddy, you don't know him. One guy, Pela. That's the biggest TikTok influencer in Africa. The guy is just, I think he's 19 years old, right? Huh? 19 years old. He's not doing anything reasonable on TikTok. But what's happened is that he's doing the nonsense that people really want to see. And I was told 5 days ago that this award, music award program, they are paying in to just live stream. I think they're paying like I think 60 million or something like that to live stream the award show on his TikTok. He's the most viewed guy in Africa. The reason why I'm talking about him is I'm not condemning him. I'm happy that he's doing well. He's not doing yahoo yahoo. But the truth is, many of us are doing legal things, and people need to hear your voice. And your number one too is your social media. So you didn't even know what to do with it. Some people are just looker. They will go to Facebook and look at pictures. How many looker do we have? Yeah, I'm sorry. You are laughing, sir. You're part of the. So can you use your social media to engage people? Sir, you say what, sir? You are not part of them. You are part of them. Yeah, that's okay, good. All right, we'll be bringing in Dylan any moment for now. We want to know if Dylan is connected because we want to know if it can be heard too. Is Dylan connected? Can it be heard? Please. No. Okay, good. So while we are waiting for Dylan, other speaker from Kind is a technical master trader. He will be doing trading with us. So I believe any of you want to trade. And if you know you have not yet registered with CoinW, make sure you register. And you are registering as well as a KOL, which means today you will be having your back office. I think you should celebrate that. I will tell you why I say you should celebrate it. Not all projects will give you back office. Only CoinW gave you back office and push back 20 projects. So you can see what you are doing. So if you can see what you are doing, they will be scared to know. Now let me explain how the back office operates. So how the back office operates is very very simple. It's your tool to trace how you work. Is this laptop connected to the TV screen? Please help me try and connect it to the TV screen. I want to show you how the back office operates. Please, I will be waiting for you to tell me how to be connected to the TV screen. The back office is your office, online office. No part. It's on the free. Just enter. So, so now, the back office is where you see what it will be showing on this screen. Yes. Hold on, please. Okay. So the back office is your main original tool, not even the CoinW app. Are you here with me? So that back office is where you'll be able to trace your work. So I want them to connect this because I don't want it to affect this because this is where we'll be seeing daily info. So praying for the back office. So while we're waiting for them to connect it for us. So the back office is your main tool. Every one of you wants to have an office. You know, you start a business, you want to run an office, and people come to your office. Do you understand? So the online is more of your back office. When you say all the algorithm, believe me, there is no jargons. They know what they call jargons. All these are coding jargons. It's just a simple way to say your work. Okay, good. Now the screen is open. Hold on, please. I have this system here, please. Okay, I think we only have one TV screen on. The three are on, right? Thank you. So thank you. So now, so this is my LinkedIn. Please, I need to connect. Okay. Dylan is in backstage. Will he be dropping signals or will he be speaking? This episode confirmed from Dylan. Yeah. Okay. So hold on, please. I'm trying to connect to my internet. So I want to show you what the back office look like. So majority of the or I've been that I've done some projects, but you're unable to trace it. Hello, you're unable to trace it, and I'll tell you why. It's because you don't know that it even exists. You don't know that it even exists. It, this is your tool as a KOL, where you'll be seeing what you're making, registrations. So this is it. This is the home page. So now you can see your total. Want to see the total work done? You come and click history. So now I've done a total sum of 129,351,552 million dollars as the total volume. I don't try that. So you can do it. So I want you all to stand up and say, I can do it. Yeah, stand up and say it to yourself. Touch your chest and say, I can do it. Good. Every banking system have what is called back office. Every financial sector, they all have what is called back office. Now, the money doesn't belong to you, but it's building your profile. Every week, I'm telling you this, I have minimum of 2 interviews from 2 different companies. I was talking to you when, wasn't it last week that the forest company was telling me, begging me that I should work with them. No, the one in Jordan. The South Africa is another one. Because I used to tell anything, any meeting that I have that, what do you think? Is one of the people that I share my thoughts with. So the point is, every week I have nothing minimum, sir. 2 interviews. This is the reason why they are coming. So they too want this kind of money to pass through their company. Let me tell you, there are lots of new fames now because Donald Trump became the president. Last week or upper week, President Tinubu approved cryptocurrency legally in Nigeria. And you are still sleeping on your bed. You don't understand what is called back office. All you are doing is that short, long, stop loss, take profit. Money doubling, 100%, CPEX. When I see people saying CPEX, I call them scammers. Anybody that does CPEX, I will tell you that you are part of the people scamming people. Because it's not real. He was telling me today that do I notice that the price of Bitcoin on CPEX is different from the price of Bitcoin in Binance, CoinW, and Bybit. I said, you try, you even do your research, read that place.
I'm telling you, I've seen many things like that, that the price of what they have will be different from what is going on in the main market. Do you know why? It's a programming, it's a scam project. So they're programming in a way that so they want novice. Majority of the people in CPEX are novice. They don't know anything. So when they came to me, I said, it would be a shame and a slap on me to register and subscribe. One guy told me, where's Abefe? One guy told me, Oga, if you lose your money, I'll give you your money back. I said, I'm not even after you giving my money back. I said, I don't, I cannot be found in Ponzi scheme. I can never do it. So this is your tool. And you all will be having this today because at the end of the program, we'll be training you on how to use it. It will be it won't be something that will be heard like air on the stream. It's going to be the networking and every other thing we'll be doing once we're through. So you'll be trained on how to use this. That's the number one. You can be successful while you are in Nigeria. You don't need to jackpot. But the problem is that people think everything is abroad. Is everyone here with me? Everybody thinks I need to be in what's it called? Yankee. If you are in Yankee and you are in KOL, you won't make money like us. The MA expenses to you. Everything you do in America, you pay tax. Everything you're doing. Now, even in UK, the way they are doing their no, people are even tired. Crypto people are even tired. Anything you do, you pay tax. My in-law came from Germany, and they said his total earning, according to the paper, what they see on the paper, is 10,000 euro. But what gets to him at the end of the month is around 2,000, 3,000 euro. Do you want me to break it down for you? So he's paying tax. So his tax is around 35%. So after paying the tax, he's still going to pay his own house bill. And there, once you are married with kids, you cannot live in a room and parlor self-contained. You must live in a flat that must accommodate the children. So he's paying in a place where he's paying over 2,000 euro every month. So after the government have removed their tax, it will be left with maybe 6,000 something. So we'll have to pay his house rent that month. That is not yet done. Power bill, water, everything. So we'll be left with stipend. And let me tell you, 2,000 or 3,000 euro in Germany is not big. I'm telling you the reality. But it's big here. I would rather earn 3,000 euro in Nigeria than to go to outside the country and what comes to my hand is 3,000 euro at the end. The reason why you are complaining that Nigeria is that, let me tell you the truth, is because you are not earning in dollars. I'm telling you the reality. You must make sure you channel your strength to be earning in dollars. And that's what you guys are seeing on the screen. You must channel your strength to earn in dollars. You must. If you are earning naira, permit me to use this word, I love my country so much. If you are earning naira in local currency, you are any problem. Do you want me to explain to you? Problem. Because naira cannot do anything. That's the reality. Don't blame the government. Blame the previous government. I didn't support the president when he was campaigning. But I told someone, I said, the reason why I didn't support the president is not that he's the only bad man. All of them, they are all bad. But it's because people man never do one. Make we just support them. Make we not be like, say, we Yorubas, it's only about us. That was why I supported him. There is no, all the interviews that they all did, what Tinubu used to campaign was the same thing Peter Obi used to campaign. Am I lying?
It's the same thing that Atiku is using to campaign. So which means that what Nigerians are facing during Tinubu, they will face it during Peter Obi too. The only person that did not use it to campaign was Shobore. But I don't want us to go into politics. Don't get me wrong. The previous government did a lot of wrong things, and the current government is trying to fix it. So what you need to do is find your own space and do what? Fix your problem. Hello? You might not like what I'm saying. Fix what? Fix your own problem now. If you refuse to fix it, they will leave you where you're at, and there we go. Majority of us here, if we are starting now, not everybody that starts with us will end with us. The journey is not easy, and it's also easy. When you're working and you are earning in dollars, you'll be encouraged to earn more. One day on this platform, I earned $500. I screamed. I've never had a 10 before, once a day. Then Sonia was the one. Sonia, I've worked with one of the top people, Sonia Shaw. And Sonia just called me and said, Michael, do you like what you saw today? I said, I love it. He said, Mike, you can do better, man. See, let me tell you, there are some people that I've worked with and have changed my life. Sonia Shaw. Sonia Shaw. He called the Ghanaian guy too and said, his name is also Michael. He said, Michael earned that day, he earned, I think, $1,200 a day. He called Sonia and said, is this how it is? Legit, with my back office, being a KOL. Life is easy. Just have the right information. The next event we'll be doing in Ibadan, we'll be capitalizing on all of you here, and we'll be using more than 1,000 capacity hall. And I want the place to be filled up with the people that you've influenced. Because the beautiful thing is that if every one of you, we're doing the next event, I want every one of you to park your cars. Do you believe in that? What's your favorite car, please? Can someone please take mic them? I need them to have a mic. Please, let them be mic. I want to be hearing your favorite. I love cars more than phones. I love cars more than phones. I was telling my brother the last time I came, I was asking him, what do you like? He said he loves property. I said, yeah, start by. He showed me some of what he secured. I said, that's how it is. You can't be in the industry and there's nothing to show for it. It's not only about feeling. I'm a realist. You might not like what I'm saying. So the next time we'll be having an event in Ibadan, I want to be seeing you guys as the people dominating Ibadan. Do you believe in that? Please don't touch anything that have to do with Ponzi. We're going to be going for question and answer, question now. So I want you guys to, if you have any question you want to ask, so because we want to try and put Dylan on, maybe we're going to put it on this. Okay, so please, we want you to give them mic. So we need to know if Dylan is connected. Okay. Um, can we hear Dylan speak, please? Can you try and speak? There's someone. Okay. Okay. Please add them on stage. Okay. So they're trying to bring him on stage so that we can you can hear him. So he's going to be doing live trade. So you guys are going to do anything. Now, if you've not yet registered your CoinW or you're not, don't worry, don't panic. Okay, you'll be doing more of things. It's going to show you how to follow the copy trading, and it's going to show you how we make money. Dedan is a very good scalper. He's one of the I call him my best scalper. Okay, so if you have any question, anyone with questions, please. Okay, please let me give the mic to him. Thank you. Your name, please.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
My name is Uluwatosin.
Okay.
Thanks for this presentation. My question is, yes, you've shown this your back office. My question is, what are we going to be doing as a KOL to earn as
Okay, that's a very good question. I've said it before, so that means I have to go back there. So you need to understand. You being a KOL, you'll be getting this back office. So this back office is your tool. I repeat again, is your tool to see how you are referring people. You can see here, let's go back to the home page. So partner configuration. You can see that I have people here that registered. These are their numbers. This one is from Hong Kong. You can see Nigeria. So you register people here. So once you register people on your CoinW, it will reflect here. That's a very good question. God bless you, sir. You'll be given a CoinW account. You're going to register with your CoinW account. So once you've registered and you're given this back office today, all of you are going to leave here with your back office. So now, once you have the back office, anybody you register, you refer, you bring into CoinW, it will reflect here immediately. So if you're not seeing that person in your back office, the person, that means the person did not use your link. So a marketing influencer, they'll say, but they'll know, they will be able to read your work through your back office. Do you understand? So the people you reach out to, the people, the traders you've spoken to, once you register, you reflect. So now you are recruiting people, which means you yourself will not have the power. You yourself will not have the power to give them power. Are you with me? Now, the people directly registered under me, I've given them power. So they also can give power, and that means they can give back office. So once you register them, now you'll be able to track and see their fee and trading volume of what you are doing every day. Do you understand? So now you are only earning not from their money. You are earning from the maker and taker fee. So every exchanges, the reason why I like to work with exchanges because have you heard about something like this? Not from exchanges. They will say once someone deposits maybe $1,000, they will give you that bring them 30% of that money. Have you heard of it before? So any company that's selling you such, that company is a scam. Is a big scam. So they are robbing the people you are bringing. So now exchanges deals with what maker and taker fee. Do you understand? So your maker and taker fee, the percentage allocated to you is what you will pay your earnings. Are you getting my point? So now, if you are given, for an example, maybe 10%, 20%, that percentage given to you, any maker and taker fee done, that is what belongs to you. So we're waiting for Dalian to connect. So after that, we'll be having Blue Marvel too. I believe Blue Marvel, they are watching us live, right? Very good. So do you understand what I'm saying here? So that is your weapon. Do you get? Is that well answered, sir? Okay, thank you.
Please, do we only end by referring someone?
Your name? Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry. My name is Oluwaseun. Do we only end by referring someone on this platform?
Huh?
Do we only end by referring someone on this
You
app?
earn by what do?
Okay, thank you. And
Okay.
another question is that what is the difference between the KOL and ambassador?
And
An ambassador. An ambassador.
oh, thank you
Ambassador.
very much. Now, KOL on KOL is like KOL covers everything. Once you're an ambassador, you are KOL. But majority of different companies, they don't want you to have the image. They don't want you to know what it means to be KOL. So they'll just say you are now an ambassador. Sweet. But KOL sounds more professional. So being a KOL, you're an ambassador to the firm. You are an influencer to the firm. You can be anything, content writer, anything. So KOL covers everything. So ambassador is just part of the benefit of being a KOL. Are you an ambassador to any firm? Huh? Okay, good. Thank you. So you giving this back office, you're also an ambassador. But we want you to have the mindset of you that a mindset of being a KOL. So you just be, ambassador, you can be working anywhere and say, I'm the ambassador of testing. Do you understand? So the benefit that comes to an ambassador is very, very small. But it's good for you to be a KOL, which means that you have the mindset that you are a KOL. You have the mindset that you are an ambassador. It's not professional. Every firm must have what is called KOL, even the ed sector. It's only Nigerian companies that they don't really channel into that. And being a KOL, you can work directly with any company. Is Dylan ready? What's happening? Okay, I think Dylan said it's ready. They can hear me. So we need to be able to hear him and also be able to project him, please. So sorry, please. I'm just trying to, we're waiting for Dylan to come on. So that's it. So what does you want me to, the question you want to ask so that we can proceed from there? Okay, that Satoshi is making me to let you know that you'll be learning how to trade. Trade. You know, I mentioned trading, the first thing. You must learn how to trade. Yeah. It's not about only referral to referral. You can have three people. Three people can build this volume for you. The way how to build volume sometimes is not really the numbers of people you have. It's the leverage and how they are trading. So yourself must be what learn how to trade. So those who want to learn master trading, let me show you something now. Now this is my chart here. So which means I'll be teaching you how to use all this. I'll be teaching you how to interpret them. So that was why I said you must be ready for calculations. Is it looking stressed?
Huh? No. So I think he's saying something. Please let me give him the mic. It's, you say what's that?
Maybe it's complicated.
It's complicated. What's he saying? You were saying something. Huh? He's looking. You have to learn. Now, let me tell you a story of a woman while we are waiting for Dylan to connect. There's a woman, one of the women I met online, another woman, Awusa, Yakubu is Senat. People used to say, why do I like to talk about her? I used to talk about her because she's a northerner. You know, northerners, they don't really learn or study the way we, the southerners, studies. So we love to read a lot. And I called her, I said, my spirit is telling me that I should train this first set. Now I told you that how I got the calling, I started training people. And she was one of the first sets. And I trained her. As I'm talking as of today, Yakubu Isena's signal is 95% accurate. And let me tell you something. She's living in a village in Kogi, a very deep village. The first day I met her in person, she traveled by road to meet me in Abuja. When I saw her, I greeted her, but she was looking stressed. She told me that the journey from her village to Abuja, you know how Kogi, Kogi is close to Abuja? Is that? Yes. So they don't used to have lights. So if someone in that kind of location can be doing it right, you that you are in the urban main city, and you're saying that, ah, man, if you're a Yoruba man like me, I'm an Elegba. Okay. All right. So while we're waiting for Dylan, let us do some live trading. Let's do some live analysis. We're still waiting for Dylan. And please help us reach out to Blue Marvel. That should be also be getting ready. So please, I don't want us to really have issues here. So let's do something now. I want to show you guys something. So while we're waiting for Dylan, we all know Bitcoin, right? Yeah. So majority of what you'll be doing in Web3 is cryptocurrency. So this is I have a very good history with Bitcoin. But I want to show you guys something. Let me remove all my drawings. So this is a naked candlestick. So what you're seeing here, billions of dollars there. I think it's now in trillion, right? Is the market cap okay? The total cryptocurrency market cap is what now? I think it should be over. Okay, forex, but I think crypto is almost trillion. Okay, cool. I think the total of this in crypto now is since when Donald Trump became the president, I think I've got total been in trillions. Sorry, I think four to some above trillions. But I know that Bitcoin is Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin entered trillion. Let me look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin market cap. So now, so this is Bitcoin market cap. So we want to see the total volume as of today. So everyone, if you can see this the TV screen, that's very good. Even though my own TV screen is not showing. So my professor and Satoshi and others they are bending to see it. Okay. So it's coming up. Okay, this is 1.65 trillion dollars. Yeah, I know that it's in trillion now.
So okay, I know that's in trillions. So we've seen minus. It has gone down last 24 hours. I think 28. This 33.68 billion dollars. Good. So now the current market cap now is one.
Can you guys hear me? Sorry, I didn't know I could start. Okay, cool. How's it, guys? If you don't know who I am, I'm Dylan. I've been with CoinW for around about 2.5 years now as a trader. So I do market updates, I do market analysis, I do live trading sessions every day, I do scalp trading signals, and I also have a copy trading account that I have made for Mike's team for you guys. So basically, I am starting it really small on the copy trading account because I want to show you guys that it is possible to flip like a small account into a biggish account. So on the copy trading, we are going to start. For me, I'm going to start on $200. We're going to try get to $2,000 within the next 2 months on that account. Well, that's going to be my plan. So yeah, that is going to be the copy trading plan. We'll go through that, and then we'll go through the signals and the analysis. So I think we'll do the analysis first, just on the current market. I did actually take quite a few trades today on the market. So let's speak about why I took this trade, and then I'll speak about Bitcoin. Right. So this was one of the trades. Um, this is one of the trades that I did take on this today. You can see that we did actually post a signal also within the community, and you can see that it did hit TP1, looking for targets of TP2 to TP3. So this was one of the trades that I did take on the copy trading account. And yeah, we did even take another trade today. It was an ARB setup, which is kind of crazy. It pumped super hard from our entry. This was the trade that we did take today as well. So what I'm trying to say is I have been trading for a long time. I do give a lot of information to you guys. And yeah, I am happy to provide hope in terms of, if you need hope with trading, these are the type of trades that you guys will be taking. I do post these to your community as well, so you guys will have access to these trades, as well as the copy trading and all of that. So now that we've got how that works, I want to speak about quickly Bitcoin, and then we'll speak about copy trading and all of that juicy stuff in just a second. Okay. So basically, this is Bitcoin right now. If you guys don't know anything about trading, you don't really need to know. I'll just tell you where we're going to expect price to go. But essentially, these are my two scenarios for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin right now, if you look at it on the daily time frame, basically, um, wait, can you not hear me? Hold on. Just give it 1 second. I think there's a bit of a network issue here. I'm just gonna wait 1 more second. Can you guys hear me? If you guys are watching on YouTube, can you guys hear me? Let me know. If you guys are watching on YouTube, let me know if you can hear me. All right, I think I'm just gonna carry on. I think it's working, so we shall just carry on. Right. So let's see. Basically, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin is on the daily time frame. I want to see price get above this zone over here at around about 84,500. I want to see price get above that zone on the daily time frame um, in order for price to continue higher. We should expect price to continue higher if price can close above the zone. The other scenario is if Bitcoin does get rejected from this level today, then we can potentially come back to these lows. So it's at a critical zone right now for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And the thing is, what we need to see happen is we need to either see price break this high, or we need to see price start breaking this previous low over here, and we look for continuation trades to the downside. Right. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm looking at for the week, and I want all of you guys to obviously get involved. I will be helping you guys out through this journey as well. So let's speak about what CoinW and what I have to offer for the community. Not only that, we do signals. We also going to do copy trading for your community. Basically, if you click on copy trading over here, I will change the name, but I've named it Team Mike Bello. Just so you guys can see, I named it Team Mike Bello. It will be named Dylan as well in there, so you can differentiate my copy trading account from Mike's copy trading account. But yeah, this is pretty much, you want to click on that. I did start it like 2 days ago. You can see up 4%. I have taken a few trades over here. You can see these my positions. So basically, this is the account that you want to be looking for, Team Mike Bello. The profile picture will be changed and the name will be changed by tomorrow as well. So make sure you guys do check this out. This is the copy trading account. I will be trading throughout the weekend, so potentially we can get some setups throughout the weekend. It's very, very simple to obviously join. Yeah, I can't really show you here how to join because this is my copy trading account. So I can't show you how to join, but basically you need to just um, yeah, I can't do it on this account. But basically, when you click on my name, you'll see at the top right there will be like a thing saying "copy this trader," and then all you need to do is transfer your money from your funding account to your futures, and then you want to search this name on the copy trading at the top over here. So we're going to go through it one more time. So you click over here, futures copy trading, and you want to come down, you want to search for Team Mike Bello. The name will be changed a little bit tomorrow, but it will have the same Team Mike Bello, just Dylan at the end. Once you over here, there'll be a thing over here saying copy. You click on that, and then you want to just copy, pretty much leave all the settings how they are. I would want to show you. Let me actually. What I'll do is I'm just going to log out quickly. What I'll do is I'm going to log out and log back in quickly onto a different account just to show you. 1 minute, 1 minute. Just give it 1 minute. I just want to show you how to copy on another account. Otherwise, it's not gonna make sense. Let's just wait for this to log in here. Google Authenticator. Hold on, 1 second. Sorry about this. I should have had this set up. I didn't think I would show you how to do the copying, but I think it's really important now that I'm thinking about it. I think it's super important that we go through that because that's where people slip up. Just give it 1 second. I'm just trying to find this authentication. I think I used another account. I don't know where this is. My bad. Let me use a Dylan Maynard account. Here we go. I've got a lot of accounts. Wait, right. Let's try this one last time. Sorry about this, guys. Just 1 second. We will get it going again. All right. I still have to do this. So 1 second. But I'll just chat to you while we're doing this. Basically, guys, I am here to guide you throughout your journey in terms of trading. I know Mike Bello is also a really good trader as well, so he has a lot of experience. But in terms of me, I also can help with scalping. If you guys are new to trading, it is something that I can teach you because my strategy is very simple. If you just follow certain criterias, so yeah, we will obviously potentially do some like master classes for people that are serious in the future that actually want to learn how to trade. Um, and yeah, let me just get this email over here. Just hold on 1 second. I think it's in my spam. I didn't send the code. That is why. We're almost there, guys. Give me 1 second. I did not think we would have to log into this account, but it looks like we are going to. Yeah. All right. So 1 second. Yeah, we go. We got the code 974201 9742. Wait. 974201. Perfect. Yeah. Verify. Bang. Okay, now we're gonna show you how to actually copy the account. Okay, so now that I'm on a different account, let's go to futures copy trading right over here at the top. Bang, you click on it. You want to search over here, team Mike Bello. Bang. Once you're over here, you want to oh, this is also another account. What I'll do is after this, I'll actually do a video on how to actually copy me. But it's quite self-explanatory. I do have a video on how to copy me. But the thing is, I can't access it now because these are both copy trading accounts. But it's very simple. This is the account that you want to do by today. Because I will be trading today as well, guys. I will be trading tomorrow. Also, it is a new account. We are going to try this, run this account up to $2,000 within the next 2 months. I know it does seem unrealistic, but I do trade a lot. So we could potentially get there. I do have tight stop losses as well. You can see over here, these are my positions that I've taken on this account here. So overall, we're in the green. You can see that the losses aren't that great compared to the wins. Okay, so that is the main goal in trading. You always want to make sure that your gains are higher than your losses, and then you'll always be in the positive, right? So the thing with trading is, guys, a lot of people don't understand is you can have a really shit win rate, right? Your win rate could be actually like negative. But if you have a good risk to reward, or if you have a strategy where you're only losing a little bit, right? Every trade, if you lose a little bit, but the ones that you win, you're gaining quite a lot, right? That is a way better strategy that I think, right? So you can see with my win rates, it's not too bad. I've only taken like a couple trades, right? So I've won 5, lost 3, and what I'll do is I'll show you guys something. If you guys are unfamiliar with me as a trader, I do have this to show you guys these are all my trades throughout since beginning of Jan to the current date. So I do track all my trades over here, guys. I do track all my trades every single day in a spreadsheet. The reason why I do that is because you need to understand where you're going wrong, where you're going right, and this. If you guys want to see my spreadsheets, you can. But essentially, this will give my you can see this trade was crazy. It made 600%. That was like a week ago, a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, it's been crazy the last couple of weeks, guys. We've made this one hasn't been updated, but you can just see that these are all the trades that I've been taking throughout this month over here. So this was Jan 27th throughout to the first of. You can see we take quite a lot of trades within 1 week, right? We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 trades within that week. Not that much, but you can see that we did end the week nicely positive over here, which is the main thing, right? You always want to make sure that at the end of the week you are in the green. So these are my results for over here, and then obviously This account has just been set up, so there won't be much results. But if you guys do need any help, if you have any questions in terms of trading, you can just hit me up on Telegram anyway. Um, I'm here to help you guys out. So this is the copy trading aspect over here. Very, very simple to use. And yeah. Then there's one more thing that I do want to quickly um, go over. Let me just check. I want to see if I can share like how I do the signals as well. But let me check. Because I know some of you guys want to do copy trading, and I know some of you guys actually want to learn to trade. And I think that learning how to trade is a lot. You'll have the skill for your whole life, right? So I think everyone should learn eventually how to do it, just for a part time thing. But what I want to do now is just show you how to access. Please tell them to hold. We are going live. Please can you make it recap? The voice. Okay. A recap. Let's go over it one more time, guys. I will try to speak into the mic. My audio should be fine though. My audio should be fine. We're gonna go over one more time for copy trading, guys. Basically, if you guys are new to trading, you want to actually click over here, Team Mike Bello. This is going to be where we're going to try to grow a small account, only $200, guys. I think it's good. We're going to try to grow this. If you guys have less than that, it's fine. We can still grow it at the same rate. Just the actual value will be less. So make sure you guys either do this, join the copy trading, or you join Mike's, or you join Mike's Telegram group, and you'll get my signals there as well. So there's two things that you can do to start making money today, pretty much. So the first thing is, either follow Mike Bello over here, or you actually join the group, start your, obviously fund your account, and we, start trading, because we took two trades today already. Both trades hit TPs, and it's a Saturday. Like, taking trades on a Saturday is quite rare for me. I don't really trade much on a Saturday, but we had really, really good price action this weekend, this morning. So it was really nice. Okay, so guys, I hope that makes sense. Do we need another recap? Let me know if you guys need another recap there. But essentially, guys, this is the account that you want to look for. And for me, if you guys need to contact me or anything, I want to try to share my Telegram quickly. Let me just pull this off quickly. Let me see if I can share my Telegram. All right. Let me see if I can share my Telegram just to show you guys how to take these trades for the people that are obviously new to trading. Let me just stop my screen, and then we will represent over here. All right. So let's do this. Rather. Let's do this. Let me just ask Facebook to share my screen. One second, guys. So I'm just asking them to share my screen so you guys can see how to actually take these trades, guys. One second. Let's just wait for that to be shared. Just give it 1 second here. Entire screen. Here we go. Just need them to share it, and then once we share the screen, I'll show you guys. Just there we go. Okay. Thank you. All right, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys something. It's going to be super important. All right, so this is going to be basically how the signals are going to come through, right? So basically today we had beautiful trades this morning. You can see that we took a trade for Arbitrum. So I'm gonna say, okay, we're gonna log Arb now, right? So basically, when I as I send this, you want to click on you want to go to CoinW, bang. You want to go to futures. As I send that signal, right? As I send that signal, you want to go to CoinW or whatever. Go to CoinW. You want to click on over here. You want to search the asset that I gave you. So it's ARB. Perfect. Then you go back over here. You want to see, okay, he's going long, 15x leverage, ARB now, bang. You want to come here. You want to change the leverage to 15, bang. You want to copy and paste exactly what I told you to do. Click on 15. Then what you want to do is you want to put your TP and your stop loss in. So your take profit, I said it was 0.286, zero point 0.3. It already hit take profit. So let's just make up numbers. So let's just say 0.38. And then your stop loss, what did I say it was? Your stop loss is 0.295, right? 0.295, bang, 0.295. And then once you've got everything sorted, you want to put how much balance you want to put on the trade, and then you click long, and then you'll be into the trade. So it's going to come in a format like this, guys. It's going to come in a format like this, and then you can see once we hit TP1, I say, yeah, let's take 50% profits here, almost at TP2, and then eventually hit your TP3. And that was the trade. We took this trade this morning, guys, early this morning, and it absolutely ripped. All right, so that is how you take the trade on CoinW. And obviously, if you guys want to, do the copy trading thing, you can do that as well. But I do think that, having signals like this and understanding how to trade is a lot easier, right? And then there's also, if you want some updates, where is the updates? These will be, here we go. You can see I just update pretty much every day throughout the day. So, yeah. So you can either choose to do the copy trading thing, or you can either choose to do the signals thing, and it's up to you. I would honestly, if I was you guys, I would probably do the signals thing, as it will teach you how to actually learn to trade and how to actually use the product that you're selling, right? Because essentially, you guys are going to be selling CoinW, right? So you need to understand everything that CoinW has to offer, right? So I would personally, take the trades myself. But if you want to do copy trading, the thing is, it does take a 12% fee for copy trading, so you just have to keep them on. I do take 12% fee, so it's up to you if you want me to take that or not. If you don't want that, then signals is definitely the way to go, right? So yeah, pretty much that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys understand how we operate at CoinW. I do think that when looking at CoinW right now, you can see that it looks super clean. They've actually done a beautiful update. So yeah, pretty much done there. I hope you guys understand how to do the trading part of things. Once I send these trades, you want to enter straight away, right? You want to be entering straight away. Once you've done that, then you want to obviously put your stop loss and your take profit in. Remember, these guys, if you literally follow all my trades, you can see like last week was we absolutely sent it. Dogecoin hit TP3. You can just see most of my trades, guys, are all hitting these TP levels, right? Have a look at this. All these trades are absolutely beautiful. All right, so if you guys want to get involved in this, you're at the right place, right? I mean, for you guys being there right now at the event, it means that you've already taken a step to accomplishing something like this, right? So I do appreciate everyone being here today. I hope you guys do, get involved in this, right? This is a good way for to earn money, and especially when the market is at these lows, right? I think the people that if you are new to crypto and you get into crypto now, this is probably the best time of your life, right? This could be the pivotal point for the next couple of months. So you guys are definitely in the right place. you're definitely in a better place than a lot of people that were in this place 3 months ago, right? Because the market was in just such a worse off condition. I mean, I'm saying the condition right now is also bad, but Trump kind of saved himself by pausing the tariffs and giving the market a bit of a steam. So I think potentially within the next couple of months we might see a bit of a pump for the altcoins, and then so I do think the right time is now. We're going to get a lot of good signals. We're going to get a lot of good trades. So make sure you guys join the community. Okay, I do appreciate everyone for joining. If you guys do need me, you can either just message Mike Bello or you can message me personally on Telegram. You can message me over here. So yeah, this we how do I don't know how to do it, but anyway, I do appreciate for joining. If there's anything else, Mike, just let me know. Um, if there's anything else, let me know. But I think I've covered pretty much everything. Gone over the signals, gone over exactly the strategy on how you guys need to do to convert. Yeah, I think we're all good. Let me have a look to see what you're saying here. Let's see. Please enter the live broadcast. Please give me okay. Perfect. So I'm just gonna wait here for a little bit, wait for the questions, and yeah. Oh, that is so much clearer. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's wait a couple minutes for some questions. Yeah. Just waiting for not too sure actually. Just waiting for the questions. Just waiting. I'm not too sure. Not too sure what's happening. Just chilling up. Looks like the market may pump as well. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening here. Let me check. Um, yeah, I'm probably just gonna head off here. I do appreciate everyone. Maybe just wait. Okay. Yeah, just let me know about the questions, and yeah, we can answer. If you guys are watching on YouTube, you have any questions, let me know as well. Definitely don't mind. Definitely don't mind asking you guys. I mean, answering your questions. Let's see. Just give it 1 second, guys. Just waiting for some questions, and then it should be sorted. I'm just gonna wait quickly. I just need the toilet. 1 second. I see a question there. Digital cash. Thanks for the brief. Can I stop any trade? Yes, you can. You can stop it whenever you want. If you're in profit, you can stop it straight away. If you're in a loss and you don't want to, take the loss, you can stop it. It's all up to you. So yeah, on the CoinW app, if you use the app, you can actually click on copy trading, like on futures, like on the futures app. You click on the copy trading function, like futures. Then at the top, you click copy trade, and then it will show you all the trades that I'm in or that I've traded on your account. So yeah, but you can stop all of those trades if you wanted to. Definitely possible, yeah. And yeah, the nice thing about copy trading, it's not like it's the funds are in your account. I mean, in my account, they are in your account. It's not like you're transferring any the funds. You just copying my trades. It's through like an API. Um, so yeah, but let's wait and see if there's any more. Just waiting for the questions. I do have to go soon as well. So yeah, I don't know for the next 2 minutes because I do have to head off very soon. It's quite late where I am. But I've pretty much gone through everything. If you guys do have any questions, you can just. Oh,
Why
there's
aren't you
Michael.
asking for a proof of work that you have done? Guess what? That was how you lost the opportunity. And it was $200 more. So, and the client is working. I've seen so many of his projects on YouTube. I've seen it on LinkedIn. You look at office. You have to do it. Say, oh, that's good. It was happy. What did that do to the other day? Okay, okay. Uh, okay. Hello, Vedat. Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Okay. Now, what did I was trying to say, in case I think is you can follow the project built especially for this a group, which is Team Mike People. So which means as long as it's trading, you will also be trading. You want me to follow the master trader. So he's the one in charge of the master trader, which is the one taking the trade, the master trader, Team Mike People. Now I also have my own master trader. Now there are two different things, Team Mike People and the other one is Mike People. So please don't make them up. Now, you also get the option of if you cannot copy trade, just you can make use of the sequence. So there are options available. And what are the options available is we have the copy trade, the master trading, you follow the master trading, and you can also take sequence. So if you are not comfortable with someone controlling the market for you, you can easily do what? Take sequence. Do you understand? So what of my own trade is swing and me is a starter because just like spelling things in trade. So that's what I'm trying to communicate to you. And you also showed you guys on how you can connect. So we are going to be connecting them. Watching online. Please try and find a way to connect. And uh, uh, so please and please and please and please make sure you are fully well connected. So to summarize here, so you can do it. And if you have questions, please write it down. Please write it down. And I'm going to ask a question. What is something you're doing? Can you close the trade? That's a very good question if you want to ask. Please make sure you have questions. And if you are online, if you post in a question online, it's not able to say question, also take it. Then I can take it. Is it there? It's not there. Okay. But do we have any questions, please? Questions? And if you have any questions online, please let us check on the YouTube if you have any questions online. Questions, questions. It will easily do your back office. Okay? If you cannot do your back office with So, so no company be able to work with you. Are you waking up? No company be able to work with you. So you must be able to follow what he said. And we're going to be teaching you to do most of majority of you will be signing up. And okay, well, we have some people connecting with us from all different locations. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Thank you. That's so beautiful. So please, we need to quickly make sure that we get all of the stage right. If you have any question when it comes to trading, let us know. So when I was saying about market, what is just taking that to be sorted? If you want to be in that class, make sure you're in our Telegram class. Will be okay. You have a question? Can you hear me now? Okay, let me try to speak at you. Now, what it is for those, let me summarize now. If you know that you cannot uh, policy my faith, copy the faith, or you put my faith is directly me and what see my faith is controlled by so you know that you are not comfortable with someone controlling your faith, then use the signal so that you won't come and solve us. It is matter of just that you are not the problem. You understand the point? So what we're trying to do is just making life easy. We are giving you very confidence. Now you can give your
What could be, what do you need? How you can copy the traits and so many other things. Okay, so you can like that. Apart from we also train you to become a master trader. Now, not for the not do what based what your friend can carry. Do you understand? So, do we have any questions? Questions, Mr. Bife, any questions so we can? I, I think Dylan is on. Is Dylan still there? Okay. Let me. All right, we are almost done. We are almost done. No, this is not mine. This is not mine. Okay, your question. Right. Please, where's my phone? Yeah. Okay. Sir? The Yes, we have triangle. Yes, yes, yes. We can make. Yeah, I created the tape, my Gradle group. So now we academy drop there. You know, yeah. So we don't have problem with the same. Ah, yes. Everybody will be in the academic group today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my phone. Okay. Another question. Our host.
Let's say somebody want to copy trade and is using $50. When you are using $50 per trade, how much are we going to use?
That's a very good, beautiful question. Now, majority of we trader, we rescue DCA. DCA means dollar cost average. So if you're going in to is should be $5. Per trade should be $5. Good. The question he asked, in case you didn't hear, so let me recap it. He said, if you have $50 and you want to follow a market, how much will you set per trade? Now, the maximum you should set per trade should not be more than $5. Are you hearing me? If you have $1,000, maximum you should set per trade should not be more than $20. The dollar cost average means that we are DCA. Have anybody heard about it before? Dollar cost average. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Next to others is part training that you guys will be taking for the master trading. So the dollar cost average is if you're in on long or merge trading, so the market is against you, you can quickly at the very good support zone to recontrol the market to be in your favor. So if the market is going against you, you can control the market with DCA. So majority of master traders do what? DCA. Scalpers don't really like doing because you use stop loss. So DCA, I don't use stop loss. Do you understand? So that's why you must at least enter with a very small. So now, if I DCA now, if I enter a trade for you now with $5, I can DCA the market 4 times. If I DCA the market 4 times, that means you already have $20 in one trade. Do you understand? That means you already have $20 in one single trade. It's explaining to you. So I think you guys should you should be able to understand that. Mr. Befe, are you getting me? So you should be able to understand that per single trade, it is $5. Once with DCA as a master trader, do you understand? That is why we say that you should enter with that low amount. Any other question? No? Okay. Is it time for them? Are they set? Yeah, please. Is the dynasty there? Okay, good. Please help us make sure that Lumave is fully connected. Please. I don't want us to have technical issues the way we had it then. All right, cool. So, if you have more questions, please ask before we end because Blue Marvel will be the one to take over now. And after Blue Marvel, we will now start going into the networking and getting you guys registered and how you can now start. You'll be in the Web3 class. And those who are watching from the YouTube, um, who are watching on the YouTube, please, we need to share the. Okay, I'll be posting the group there on the YouTube now, so that those who are there can quickly Team Mike below. So our goal is to raise minimum of 100 leaders this year, and by the special grace of God, the 100 leaders this year, all of you will be earning massive millions in dollars in Jesus' name, either by contract, either by salary, in the name of Jesus. If you like it, say amen. And we are Muslim. Bala ma ṣàdúrà yẹn sà. Ọlọ́run kó gbà fún wa kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Àmín. Ẹ ṣé sà. Yeah, so that's it. So we are training leaders. It's a leadership training. It's a leadership training. Please.